we got the information that in the river some people are doing dynamite fishing. That we are going to record that how they're doing, and we'll try to see that they are not means they are not getting aware that we are here to record their practice, because this is a banned activity, and if we go with the camera and all, and they may go away. So this is a very important thing which need to be recorded, and still it is being practiced in many parts of the India, and especially in the northeast region, and in Nagaland it is still being practiced. And let's see, we will be going very deep in the jungle, and we'll be hiding in some place, and we'll be trying to catch the process how they are doing the dynamite fishing. Okay, let's see. So this is the way, this is the jungle where we have to go very down, and we have to make sure that the people who are doing dynamite fishing are not seeing us.
दूध फक करेगा, उसका बाद इसी से रोल करेगा।
ओके,
तो उसका बाद यहाँ में तलेगा, तो उसका ये काट करके यहाँ में तलेगा। उसका बाद ये काट दिया, सो जो ये दोनों ये भी दूध हो गया, तो वो पान करके अंदर में तलेगा, मेस तलेगा, मजिस फट जाएगा।
ओके,
저보다 생각 잘 수가. 응, 어떤 생각도.